Yo, yo, yo. How are you? Okay, welcome to this new trade recap about today. I've been kind of absent in the Discord, on YouTube. I had other stuff to do, other things to do, but I really wanna create this community. I really wanna help even a few people, and of course have a journey together. We are not that many. I mean, we're 3 now that are always doing together. 2 always, and then another guy comes in sometimes, and it's very good. Yeah, it's very good to have someone next to you, like you're talking to when you're trading, asking questions, sharing opinions. So yeah, I mean, let's go to today. What happened today? I mean, nothing much. I just wanted to show you the Discord. See here, we just exchange opinions, what happened the days before. I give some analysis. I share my trades here. Okay. So I didn't record these trades. I mean, the past days have been very good. This day here, I put the order at the order block here. It touched, like on Tradeaway, I saw that it touched. It didn't fill me, and then here went beautiful. This good, and this I thought it was going to get lower and then up, but ended up staying here high. Order block again, OTE of this range. Here you can see I enter on TradingView, which is my paper account, so it's not the real one. This was the trade. Should I enter with the real one, would have been very good. And today with the real ones, to KBE, they got violated here, and then this went. I'm gonna show you the thought process of this. So today, if you want to join, feel free to join. I think it's very useful, especially if you're new or if you know a little bit. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay, so we've been bullish, okay? As you can see here, today was Tuesday. On a 4-hour, you watch, we have an old new week opening up, okay? We can start maybe at the daily. We have a new week opening up, okay? This gap, okay? So this space here between this candle and this candle, okay? So this was a Friday and this was a Monday, so it's a new week, okay? So we have this gap. Monday we gapped also again higher. It was pretty bullish. We wanted to fill this 4-hour gap. We did, okay? So I can also take it off. We filled this gap, and then we were aiming for this new week opening gap. So strange enough, ES was weaker, okay? So that's why I traded today on NQ, which was the stronger pair, okay? As you can see here, today we had PM session of yesterday. ES was bullish, okay, throughout Asia and London. See, here we don't take the low, London doesn't take the low, and here it does. So this is bullish SMT, okay? So this means that ES is stronger, but sometimes we can say that one pair flips the other, okay? So during another session, the stronger pair that was ES becomes the weaker one, okay? So this is in the 15-minute time frame. We can go on 5. We enter New York session with a very bullish London session. In this case here, we take low and high of every session. So we just want to see what price is doing, what it's telling us at the start of AM session. So we are still near this gap, which is not the best if you're near big gaps. So you want to see if for a continuation, so to the upside, or a breakdown to the downside, okay? So I mean here price just is weird a little. I actually, as I showed before, we can call it pre-fire this idea of trade. Okay, I enter here because this was an order block. Okay, my idea behind this was that order blocks the past few days have been working really well. Okay, I wanted to aim for the London high. Okay, 37 points. And yeah, I was maybe a little premature because if you go on the regular trading hours, we also didn't fill completely the gap. So this is the gap. We filled the midpoint of this gap, and I thought, well, it's going up. This is bullish sign, okay? We leave part of the gap open. So this is bullish order block play. Many times this would work. It's very fast, okay? Like these two candles, like you can see these huge candles, okay? You cannot predict this. It just violates your entry, and then yeah, you just take a chance, okay? If you have a plan in mind and you know how it's gonna execute most of the times, you should take it. Because Monday it was very similar to this and it went perfectly. I didn't take it. Today I take it and it ends up in a loss. So now I was losing, okay? I was about down 150, 180 because I put my stop at like 120, but then this huge candle, so slippage, like I lost more even though I put my stop a little higher. So yeah, then here I was actually in uni. They told me to change class. I was here. There was this BPR for me, okay? So here we take some lows, some liquidity here. We stay within this gap, okay? And then we create a BPR. So BPR is when, this is not a clear that BPR. So BPR is when two fair value gaps are just staring at each other. This fair value gap, and then we have this bullish movement, okay? I wasn't here, so I was still like walking around school. I saw it arrive like around here. This is the first presented gap, okay? So the first gap after 9:30 is this one. I want to see price close above that and then enter, okay? So I wanted to enter like here, but I enter like a little higher. And yeah, I aim for this lows here, okay? So when you have a high, this high, sorry. When you have a high and very near some highs or just a higher here, price tends to drive very fast to this high, okay? Takes this and very fast. As you can see here, we have a big wick. So price was going, zero drawdown, going, boom, wick, take me out, take profit, and then boom, goes down, okay? My stop was here. So we can say it was lucky. I mean, I don't know. See, these candles are just, you cannot predict them. So, I mean, the trade view was good. Closure off of the first, present a gap, BPR. We are still bullish overall. The sentiment is bullish. There was this high here, which eventually got taken after. And I mean, yeah, that was it. Very, very, very fast, very slow, very fast trade. Always tend to, okay. We're also, if we measure the London range with the Fibonacci tool from low to high, as you can see here, NQ touched 0.5, so we were in discount. And I think he has touched OTE. OTE is 0.62 of the range. If you wanna copy my Fibonacci tool settings, you can take a screenshot of this. I'll now put it in the Discord. We also have the standard deviations, but this is more of an advanced concept. So price touch OTE on ES and 0.5 on NQ, pivot off of this, so strong displacement after, and then here we take our trade. And then actually I wanted to take another one. I think I've showed it here. It's in the same one, sheesh. Perfect. Yeah, I took this on paper. It was another order block. so I took a little before, but it was, I mean, I didn't take it because I stick to my rules, have to trade maximum, so I don't wanna overdo it. I think it was this one here. Yeah, it was this one trade here. And here, this is actually, if we delete this is actually a BPR, okay? Not as big of a BPR, but you see these big candles just staring at each other, okay? So BPR, close above, then taps again, this, boom. Like this. This is beautiful. Every time this happens is very good. So I wouldn't take in this. Maybe to the high, 50 points. To the here. You pull a little below a high or a little above a low, always. Yeah, this would have been also a very good trade. 10.05. It was very, very early. We took the trade very early. I think this was the best move to do, and I saw it. But I mean, stick to your rules, guys. It's very important. Even though this worked out pretty well, sometimes we can't, and just you're not disciplined with your rules, and it's just a bad day in general. So if you read price well and went well, good. If you didn't, better. So don't just take 2 trades. 1 loss, 1 win, 2 losses. If it's 1 win, just take 1 win and that's it. So yeah, I mean, this was very fast. Nothing more to say. It was not the best day ever, but I wanna do more of a trade recaps and be more present on YouTube again, because I had problems with the software of screen recording. I don't know why OBS didn't work, but yeah, I mean, don't wanna spend too much here talking here. So yeah, I mean, I'll see you in the next one.